Hello everyone, welcome to day 13 of the 30-day challenge where I'll be recreating thumbnails which look challenging to make. But today's thumbnail is from Future, What is Branding 4-minute crash course. So this is I think the simplest thumbnail I've ever drawn. Let's start by making a frame. Let's rename it to day 13. And I have already downloaded an image from FreePic, the links in the description. Let's remove this one's background using remove BG. As you can see in this thumbnail, the background is yellow and these two guys are having a conversation. So we have also taken an image like that. I'll move this image and I'll resize it a bit and I will have to move it a little bit downwards, something like this. And let me increase its size from downwards. And let me fill the frame to this color. Now we have the thumbnail almost ready. Like this is the shortest video I've ever made, I think so. Just add the text, thumbnail, design, and let's change it to 200. And I'll change the font to Anton. Let me bring these two inside the frame. Okay. I think I should increase the font size to 220 or maybe 230. Okay, 230 looks good. Let's adjust this and like this. And I think we are good to go. We can increase these sizes to 250. And let's move this text upward. Now I'll select this image and go to the image tool and lower the saturation. And we have a thumbnail ready. So do let me know guys how easy it was to draw, and I'll meet you the next day. Till then, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and take care. Bye bye.